Hey, welcome back to Nothing Gets New. We're going to be working on Scottie's truck here. We're going to get some sandblasting finished up on the floor pans. We're going to get the cab flipped up on end and get the bottom scraped out. Get all the undercoating off of it, all that gross stuff. Get it ready so we can put the pans in it, make them fit good, and weld them in. Yeah, we'll check it out and show you how we do it. Okay, we got the cab outside. And we got some sand in the sandblaster. We're going to sandblast the edges here, see what we have, and how much more work we need to do ahead of this. Okay, you can see we got everything blasted out really good. Both sides. Anywhere there was some rust. Yeah, there's our rough cutout for the floorboards. Got a few little pinholes in here. We'll address that. Maybe put a patch panel in, not sure yet. But bottom of the floor is all scraped out all the way down, all the cruds off of it. So when we start making our final cuts and weld the floor pans in, it's not going to smoke and get all weird. So once that's in, we'll seam seal it and epoxy it, and then we'll raptor coat the bottom. But I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. We're going to go over and check out the chassis, show you guys that next, and start putting the floor pans in. We'll walk you through all that. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for this video of working on the pickup for Scottie. Had a lot of fun so far working on it. We're getting stuff done on Bev, getting stuff done on Grump's car. Hopefully you guys will like the videos that we put out so far. I'm having a lot of fun with it. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.